Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can convert your PDF file into its equivalent JPEG images. If you have a PDF file and you want it to appear in a JPEG format so you can view it as an image, you need to follow the following steps. So first, let's see what our PDF looks like. Now, here I have a PDF which I want to make into a JPEG file. It contains some images, and now I want to make it as a JPEG file. So in order to do that, first I will open my Google Chrome and then I will simply type PDF to JPEG. I am using this particular site, but you may also use any of the sites which are free to use. Now I click on this, and from here I will select PDF file which I want to convert. Let's locate the file, and once it is done, you can see the option of page to JPEG. This will ensure that every page of this PDF will be converted into a JPEG file and 4 JPEGs will be created. So once you have selected everything correctly, you can also choose the image quality, which is normal or high. For now, I will be keeping it to normal, and then you need to simply click on the convert to JPEG button. Let's wait for it to convert, and now the button appears to download the JPEG images. Simply click on the button and the download will soon get started. Now allow it to download the particular files. Now once the file is downloaded, you can simply check it. It comes with like a zip file, but you can either extract it by using any software like WinRAR for example, or may also use the Windows native extraction tool also. Now once you have extracted the particular downloaded folder, you can extract the images and you can access the pages as a JPEG file as well. So that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Share this video, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.